Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to restore multiple closed tabs on Google Chrome browser. So here you can see I have Google Chrome open on my computer, and here you can see multiple tabs are open on my Google Chrome browser. So I have 7 to 8 tabs open right now. Suppose by mistake I close this browser. So I close the Google Chrome browser. Now when I open Google Chrome browser, I don't see the restore option coming up, and I don't know how to go ahead and get all those tabs open once again. So in order to go ahead and restore the open tabs which were closed before, so you have to press the control plus shift plus the letter T. So on your keyboard you have to press the control key, then you have to press the shift key, and along with that you have to press letter T, T as in Tom. So when you press control shift and T together, you can see all the tabs are open, are back. So you can see I've restored all my closed tabs. So if this does not work for you, this will go ahead and open all the recently closed tabs. In my case it has worked, so in your case also it should work. In case it's not working and if you want to get the history, then you can always use control plus H. So press the control and along with that press the letter H, and this will open the history tab, and from here you can go ahead and open all your lost tabs. So these are the two ways in which you can go ahead and restore all the closed tabs on your Google Chrome, and this is only applicable when you have recently closed your close all the tabs in your Google Chrome. So maybe after the restart it may not work, but if you have not restarted your computer, you simply close your Google Chrome, and if you want to restore all the closed tabs, then you can use control shift and the letter T to go ahead and restore all the closed tabs. I can do it once again. So I'm pressing the control shift and the letter T on the browser, control shift and T, and here you can see all the tabs are open once again. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.